Hi, so Eagle Eye Cherry Save Tonight. So we've got the chords A minor, F, C, G. A minor to F, well you can either do the A minor to the bar chord F. I find it easier to do that half bar. I'm not actually even doing a half bar actually. I'm doing the half bar shape, but my first finger isn't doing that half bar of barring the B string and the top E string. It's just staying from the A minor, it's being an anchor finger and staying on the first fret of that B string, and the underside of the first finger is muting that top E string so that you don't hear it. And so you're moving from A minor to the F shape, whereas which is, in this case, first finger on the B string, first fret, second finger on the G string, second fret, third finger on the A string, third fret, and fourth finger on the D string. Did I say that right? Third finger on the A string, third fret, and fourth finger on the D string, third fret. Anyway, so you can, and you're getting, it's just those middle four strings, yeah? So thumb, or the top of the nail of the third finger is muting that string, below E, and like I said, the top E string has been muted by the underside of the first finger. So I find that easier. Of course, if you want to go to the F, that's fine. And so the sequence is A minor, F, C, and then whether you go from the bar F or my half bar F, so to speak, to C, you can see that you can observe that the third finger remains as an anchor finger from the F to the C, from the F to the C, and then you go to G and everything changes, either a 3-finger G or a 4-finger G, up to you, by which I mean 3-finger G, 1 finger, the third finger on the top E string at the 3rd fret, or, which is 4th finger on the top E string, and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Okay, and now the strumming pattern. So remember we had down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So we keep it like that because that means you're doing the same thing on each chord, which makes it simpler. So speed it up. Okay, and slowed down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 yeah. And something I noticed about that playing along to the song, because it goes fast, doesn't it? It's a fast tempo. So your hand, your strumming hand is moving fast. Particularly as it's not going up and down to keep that speed. It's got down, 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 down. Sorry. Down, 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 down. So what I noticed, if you were doing your normal strumming from the elbow, yeah, you're going, that'd be a lot of work, okay? If it was all coming from the elbow like normal strumming. But strumming also involves this movement, a rotation of the forearm, yeah? Particularly if you were doing flamenco stuff. But if you try that movement, so you're thinking it's not so much up and down, yeah? But, so it's not so much up and down from the elbow, okay? But that movement, okay? The reason being, you've got to do these strums fast, and if you're doing them, like I said, if you're doing them from the elbow, it's a lot of work. And and it's easier for you, even though at first it might not be if you're not used to this movement of the rotation of the forearm and thus rotation of the hand in that plane. See that? So rotate, down, rotate, up. Down with the fingernails, up with the thumbnail, as usual. Thumbnails down, sorry, fingernails down, thumbnail up. But like I said, rather than that, it's this. And to aid that movement, that rotation, when you strum down, try strumming with just the middle two fingers. I mean, don't worry too much about this technique. If you're happy with go with that, with a normal sort of strumming. But this is normal strumming too. It's just something that gets used, not so much in slower strumming, but in faster strumming. So, when you strum down, try using the middle two fingers, fingers 2 and 3. Okay? And you're going to do that movement. So, rotation, as though you were opening a door. Yeah, your hand on the doorknob, you twist. Yeah, you twist your forearm. So, down with fingernails 2 and 3, fingers 2 and 3, and up with the thumb. And you can see that my arm is staying more or less in the same position. It's not going up and down, it's staying in the same position. And it's my wrist or forearm that's rotating, yeah, or hand that's rotating, it's all rotating. So we've got down, 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 down. And let your wrist be really loose and your fingers be really loose, and you're almost sort of, right, as though that sort of movement of, say if you had water on your hands and you didn't have a towel to dry it, and you're doing that sort of thing, yeah, flicking the wrist, yeah, and letting the hand and the fingers be loose, that sort of movement, roughly that sort of movement. So you're sort of flicking, throwing your fingers at the strings. So that takes you through almost all of the song. There's one bit, sort of middle 8, 2/3 through the song, which I'll do in a next video, okay? But that's even simpler. I think it's the same chords, but the strumming pattern's simpler. Okay, hope that helps.